Yeah, he's putting up a good fight.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the size.
That's the one that I like.
This is onto the first fish. Taking a bit of a run, isn't it? Oh yeah. Do you need the net for that one? I'll get the net out for you. Okay. Well, you'll probably win the prize for the biggest fish today.
Yeah.
Decent old head on that one. Yeah.
Had to catch it too, you know, really.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's what would have been rooting around with it. They're tough, aren't they?
Yeah. Don't think he was getting off. There we go. Oops.
You come in handy actually, don't you?
That's your first fish? First one for the day for us?
You got a habit of holding my fish. Yeah, they're mongrels, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
On
I was just saying I haven't had a touch.
On the white?
Yep, on the white lure. A little ready, I'd say.
Oh, it's not bad.
It's probably about a metre up off the bottom, I think.
Gee, light, isn't he? Oh, it might be the sun.
Just a very slim one.
Yeah, light colour. Yeah.
He's got both lots of trebles.
Oh, there you go.
Well.
Any colour?
Oh, I've just rehooked him up. Well, that's my first fish. Small little redfin. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm getting a bite on the worm.
You got a fish?
No, I don't. Oh, yeah, I have.
Oh shit, that might have been what was
Wasn't even taken off with the sinker at all.
Look, they get used to just hanging around the boats too, just in case.
Yeah, well, if we catch a redfin, we'll feed him. Yeah. Nice one, Les.
You gonna feed him or you?
Yeah. We'll chuck this one over.
He's onto it, I think.
Uh,
Yeah, he knows it's there.
yeah, you'll be able to see it.
Oh, gee whiz, he does. I don't know how close he'll come to the boat though.
Yeah, he's probably going to wait for it to float away. There he is, he's coming in now. Yeah, the fish is just beneath him. Oh, it was.
It might be going in down in the water a bit.
Oh, he got it.
Got it, yeah.
Yeah.
He's not a wedgie though, is he? Although the tail looks weird.
I just thought I'd check it.
You got a fish on
I've got a fish on it.
Oh.
Little redfin again. Another one.
Well, that's not a bad. How come he's not bloody
Yeah.
the rod?
They're really docile today, aren't they? Like on the...
Lying dormant one.
Yeah. Didn't even know I had him on there. Like, he's not tiny that you wouldn't think he'd be able to take off.
Shit, no.
Yeah. What's the second one on the worm? Didn't even know I had him on there.
Well, usually they give it a bit of a pizzle on it, that's all.
You got one as well? No? Oh yeah,
That
geez.
would have been a good one for him. I'll throw it in there in case he comes.
Oh yeah, well that's right, if he comes back. Got him that time. Still tiny one.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they seem more active on the worms today, though, don't they? Yeah, it's just trying to find some bigger ones in that school, if there are. Oh, they're slowly getting a bit bigger.
59.
Yeah, they are slowly getting bigger again. Yeah, that would be a keeper if you were after one, but I don't want one.
You want to buy him?
No. Oh yeah. Got him. He was sitting on it. Again, another one just sitting on it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What, he just spewed up something, I think.
Some of them aren't very dark, are they?
Yeah, only small redfin here. We'll try somewhere else. Okay, we'll give this spot a try. Last spot, there was a few too many small redfin. I'll listen to him.
Yeah, you call on the others. He's too light in the belly
The
and
fish
that.
is just 5 metres out there.
Round ball. There he goes.
Got it.
Got it.
Oh, got one, Les.
Have you? I might get
I thought I had a snag.
Might get the lure out.
Oh, jeez.
Shit, no, I'll let it go for a while.
He's taken both trebles too.
Yeah, shit.
This one might be just small redfin as well. We might have to find another spot.
A bit better.
It is a bit better, but...
63.
Well, they're a bit more consistent here, but... Oh, there you go. He's having to go at the lure too.
Getting bigger.
Got him. Have I? What have I got? Stick or something?
Yellow.
Oh, got him in the head.
Look at him. 3 trebles. He wasn't getting away.
No. He came up really funny. I thought I had a stick or something. Well, they're definitely a lot more consistent here, but let's see if we can find some size.
Not over big, but getting bigger. Oh, it's one of those roaches.
Yeah. Another roach. I'd never really seen them much until last year.
We're knocking them, aren't we?
Yeah. That'd be good for the eagle or hawk or whatever if they come back again. School right under the boat, Les.
There is there?
No, well, you're the only one catching them. I'm casting away from the boat. You're just right underneath. Oh, here we go. It's a nicer one.
Geez, it is a good fish.
We're just saying, looking for the bigger ones in the school, and we just found one.
I might put a white lure on.
Probably nearly the biggest redfin for the day.
It is.
That was just near the boat too. I think I've got one on the back on my worm. Either that or the boat's moving. No, got a fish as well. Come back on the bite.
You got one?
Yep. On the worm.
From nothing to 2. You might hit.
Yeah, well.
That was the biggest one for the day.
Yeah. Yeah, this rod's been pretty quiet at the back just here though.
Yeah.
Well, the boat started moving around a bit. Maybe we just drifting over the school.
I got him there.
Have you? Yeah.
Persistence anyway.
Well, you got him that time. The majority have been that size though, haven't they?
82. Well, nearly the 100.
You're gonna need 100 of them to make up the size you need though. That's the problem.
At least. Oh yeah, little.
Yeah, got him.
Got him a few, haven't you?
Yeah.
School in there. Oh,
Yeah.
Look at that.
They're pretty thick, aren't they? They've well and truly engulfed it.
There he is right over there now, right over the buggery. He'd be getting a good feed here now if he was.
Another one?
Back to the bigger ones.
Yeah. I'll say we might have to move.
Got to catch them, by Jesus.
Yeah. Okay. We'll give this spot a try. Nice and warm today, out of the wind here.
Beautiful. It is.
Worm over the back.
Oh, I thought it would be real small.
Oh, okay.
The one
Oh,
that was-
normally brings them on when you sit down for a coffee.
Yeah.
You just want the big ones now.
This one.
Oh, gee.
Hey? Oh, you wouldn't reckon that take it, would you?
God. Like that hook barely even fits in his mouth.
Be Lewis a lot bigger than him. Be good to put in the tank.
Oh, wow. God.
You want to keep him or not?
No, got enough.
Yes.
I thought I was snagged.
I'm going to put a white lure on.
It's got a...
That's a good fish. Too.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Might be a carp.
Yellow. Want the net?
Yeah, might get the net. It's got a bit of weight to it. Well, feels like it's a carp the way it's fighting.
net?
At the top, at the front. Yeah, he's putting up a good fight. It's like it's a carp. I've got a white lure on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at the size.
That's the one that I like. Eh?
Wow.
Look at that.
Hey? That's a nice reddy. I'll get a photo of that one for sure.
I thought it was a carp then.
Oh, the way he was fighting, I'm thinking this is a carp because he's putting up a good fight and it's on the white lure.
That was what you thought was the snag.
Yeah.
Definitely.
God, he's solid, isn't he? I'll measure him.
He's a ripper.
Look at that for a nice redfin.
Hang on, I'll get your photo.
Oh, God, yeah. Oh, no.
I thought he would have been.
Yeah,
40.
no, he's only 38. 39. Just pushing 39.
So we were getting reddies that were 30 and they look nowhere near that.
No, he's bloody solid as. Wow. Yeah, so nice 39 centimetre redfin. That's what you come out for, isn't it? Something like that. Put up a good fight too.
I reckon that must have been him when you thought you were snagged. He got it on
Yeah.
the run.
The way he was hitting it was like I was hitting a big snag.
Look at any white
He had
lure.
2 or 3 goes at it.
I reckon I should put a white lure on.
There we go. He's off.
I'll guarantee he's the only big one here.
Oh well. Les has found him on the lures as well.
Yeah, I like the white lures. Jackal.
Geez, that looks tiny after the last one I got though, doesn't it?
Looks big for mine.
Yeah, honestly didn't think it was a redfin. I thought it was a carp, given the small redfin we've caught today.
Brenton, you got a bite there. Good fish too.
The worms have been quiet.
Carp?
No, a little redfin, I'd say.
No.
Nice, not too bad size, but
Yeah.
very quiet on the worms though, isn't it? Like,
Yeah. Yep. That's why I like lure fishing.
yeah, it looks awfully small after the last one I caught, doesn't it?
They'd be we'd be taking them home.
Yeah. Oh, Les has got one.
Oh, it's a good fish. Better than what I've been getting.
Yeah. They're a bit more active at the moment, aren't they?
Any salt?
Oh, yeah, he's not as big as before, but he feels... I might have him in the side. There's the bloody worm rod going off as well.
Got him in the side.
Yeah.
Not as big as before, alright.
I think the school is a bit over there more.
Yeah, if I'm gonna,
He felt a lot bigger than that on the way
I'm
in.
be casting for that sort of shit, and I'd rather have a rest.
Here comes the hawk again. He's looking for the fish we dropped off before.
It's as if he was looking around our boat, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, the other one's got to be over there somewhere.
There's 3 of them there, yeah.
It's floated away.